It's one thing to build a single cabinet, but here's how I build an entire cabinet job in just minutes. It's the same process, just scaled up. This is how I lay out a full job. Multiple cabinets, different sizes, all feeding into one cutlass. You're not rebuilding everything every time, just adjusting what changes. Every cabinet can have its own parameters, but they all stay consistent with your defaults. This is where things used to get messy, keeping track of all the parts across an entire job. Now it all rolls into one clean cut list, and you can sort this list any way you want. This is the same list I take into the shop when building a full project. Here it is, and everything is here. Panels, parts, quantities, ready to build. Now this isn't going to replace CAD, but when I don't need full design software, I still need something that's going to be accurate and reliable. If this fits the way that you build, check out my website, oldguywoodworks.com. See you around in the shop.